What's up, guys? These are the results after I lifted my car using 5100s all around. I did 1.75 inches in the front and a 1-inch Cornfed spacer in the rear. I did it all by myself, no help at all. You can do it too. I just recommend getting some good jack stands, and you can do the same thing like I did. If you want to see how it's done, watch the rest of the video. We're gonna remove the links so it's easier to move. You loosen this guy up, remove this guy. I already took it off. Okay, taking off. Just remember the orientation it's in. Now, disconnect the shock. Reinforcing the bottom. I think it's a 1718, but that's good. Now I'm going to reuse the exact same coil. So since I'm in the passenger side, I am doing the Cornfed spacers. So this one's the driver's side, 1 inch. I'm not doing that one. I'm in the passenger side. So I'm going to do the passenger side 1 inch. The only reason they're labeled is because Cornfed made it where the driver's side is like about a 1/4 inch higher than this, just to help with the, the driver's side lean, due to the gas tank being on the driver's side. So it pretty much levels it out evenly, so that's kind of cool. So it comes with the 2 spacers and this, and we're gonna connect it to the bump stop. So we're gonna put it like this, and we're gonna just use one of the screws, put it in, put it back on it, and then put it back on the car. The bolt, screw it in as much as you can on top, and then install it. There it goes. So, see how it could turn? Make sure it's seated all the way right there. Now, I actually just pressed it down with my weight. There we go. Okay, for those of you who are watching this horrible driver's side version of it, I had to unscrew that one to just give it a tiny bit more slack. This one right here, that one right there, and the top one right there. Come on, baby. I'm almost there. Oh, there you go. God, that was so... There you go. Now we're good. They give you 2 sizes just to see which one. This is the thinner one, thicker one. I already put a thicker one on the driver's side, so I'm pretty sure it's a thicker one on the passenger side, but either way, I'll check. And these come with 2. You can mix them up because one won't fit through it. Only the wider one will go straight all the way to the bottom. So technically, this should be like this, and this one go over it once it sits inside. See, I have to compress it now that I put it on to try to get it through. So after that, on the shocks, keep in mind that after I put the coils, I just lifted up the jack to put pressure on it, and then put these on. You can do it if you're strong enough to put pressure on it. If you're by yourself and not gonna need someone else's help, and do it quick. So everything else is reverse order. This one of the brake line bolts, bracket holding whatever it is, and then put it back in. That's it, and then take it to the lineman shop. Let's see how it looks. All right, y'all, so this is 175 in the front, 1-inch Cornfed spacer, rear pole spacer in the back, 5100 all around. Looks pretty good. According to Cornfed, it has a 1/4 inch rake still, which I'm perfectly good with. I don't care if it's leveled. I actually wanted a slight rake, so this works out. Yeah, everything that I use, I'm putting the links below, the Amazon links, the 5100s that I bought on Amazon, and including the tools that I use in case you guys want to buy some. Yeah, man, if this video was helpful in any way, please hit the like button, click the links if you want to purchase anything. It really helps me out in continuing to make videos, especially future videos for the car and future upgrades. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.